Hi friends, my name is Zubair. Today in this video I am going to show you what is URL shortening and how it can help your affiliate marketing and boost your online business. Please watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important information. Before I start, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel so you can find helpful videos about digital and affiliate marketing almost every day. Somewhere in this video I am going to show you a new affiliate program that pays €5 for single sign up. So stay tuned and be right with me. Okay, let's begin. What is URL shortening? Simply, when you have an ugly or long URL and you want to make it short and clean, you use a URL shortening service and it helps you to track your affiliate links. Let me show you on my PC how you can do it. Here on my PC I have a website linked.com, linked.com, which is my own URL shortening service. Now I'm going to copy this long URL containing numbers and different alphabets and copy this long URL and paste it here and click on shorten button. You can see we have short link here. So the first benefit to use a URL shortening service is it makes your URL short and clean, because everyone on internet likes short links. So it is better to share these tiny and short links on internet instead of long and ugly URLs. You can use this free URL shortening service, but I would like to give you free tip here. Please don't use spammy links or phishing links, because if you do that our system may block your links. So please avoid to use spammy links. You can check your links for spam or phishing contents on Google. If you search there you can find many link scanners there. Okay, so the first benefit of using URL shortening services, it makes your URL clean and short. Now the second benefit of using URL shortening services, it allows you to track your links, like how many people clicked on your link and from which country they belong or the devices they use and so on. As an example, if I see the statistics of my link, you can see I have 8 clicks here, and I can also see the countries the traffic is coming from and the platforms, browsers, and languages and referrers and A/B testing whatsoever. These link tracking services are very helpful. It helps you to understand your audience and allows you to target your business efficiently. Also, an interesting thing in this URL shortening service, which is my own service, you can add pixels of your choice. As you can see here, I have a Facebook pixel for my website Digit Crafter here. If you have an idea about pixel, you know a pixel is like Facebook or Google Analytics. It helps you to monitor the actions and activities of your visitors, like what they perform actions on your links or website, so you can create a better audience that is interested to your links, which is very awesome and helpful. I like this option very much. Now the third benefit of using URL shortening service is that short links are good for SEO. As an example, if I go to my Facebook page and copy my long link here, and you can see it looks very ugly here, and when you post this link in your paragraph, on Facebook or any other blog page, they may hide your long link, some part of your long link. Now I'm going back and delete it, copy my short URL and paste it here. As you can see, it looks beautiful and awesome. So the third benefit of using URL shortening service is it is helpful for SEO, because tiny links look beautiful when you share them in your post or an article. Now the benefit number 4 of using URL shortening service is it can reduce SMS cost. You know, SMS marketing companies charge on the size of SMS, and when you shorten the URL and include it in your SMS, it will reduce the size of your SMS and ultimately will save you the cost on your campaign. Also, an interesting thing about URL shortening is you can use custom alias with your URL. For example, I am pasting here long URL and using a custom alias as Facebook and click on shorten. You see, we have a URL with custom alias Facebook. Now the last and fifth benefit of using this URL shortening service is you can monitor all of your links from one place, from one dashboard. You can create, edit and share your links on internet. Friends, I told you 5 benefits of using this URL shortening service. Of course, there are more benefits, but I highlighted the main benefits in this video. So if you are in online business or digital marketer, this shortening service is for you. Now it is the time to show you affiliate product that I mentioned at start of this video. That is, they are giving €5 per sign up. Its name is EcoMail. If you go to my PC, you can see they are providing €5 for each sign up, and you earn 20% commission for paid subscription. Other than this, they are providing €1 for each newsletter subscription. So it is very good opportunity to earn from this affiliate product. By the way, I have a short mini course about affiliate marketing. Go check it out in my channel video. Now in this video, I would like to offer you a gift. You know this awesome URL shortening service? It is my own service and I am using it for my online business, for myself. So if you want a free account in this shortening service, you can join it free with no charges, unlimited custom domains, unlimited link. Just comment below and subscribe my channel. I will choose one of you every week to get a free account in my URL shortening service. So you can get all the features for free. You don't need to pay anything like Bitly or any other URL shortening services that charge high prices. Some of these URL shortening services are charging thousands of dollars per month. So I am offering my service for free for one of you. Thank you for following. See you later.